What's up guys, welcome back to McLaren Media, your home for everything cars, photography and videography. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the front bumper on a 350z. The reason I'm doing this is because it's actually been quite a requested video from a couple of you guys on this channel, so let's get on with it. First step, jack up the car and then secure on axle stands. Then remove the front wheels. Inside the arch you'll find some plastic clips. Most of mine are missing, but using a small flathead screwdriver you can simply pop them back out of place. Along the edge of the arch there are a couple of Phillips head screws. Simply remove these with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once these are undone, you can move the plastic arch liner out of the way. You'll find a small bumper iron bracket inside the bumper. There should be 3 10mm bolts, however I only have one. Once these are undone on both sides, come round to the front of the car and undo the small 6 plastic clips on top of the bumper. The bumper then pulls down and out at both sides. This is able to be pulled forward. If like me you have headlight washers, unclip the pipes. Be careful as the washer fluid will drain out though. So there we go guys, that's how to remove the front bumper on a 350z. Like most cars, like my Fiesta video I've got, removing the front bumper is usually really simple. Only problem I found you might have is the clip small being missing, and obviously this bumper iron bracket here having all the bolts missing, but apart from that it's a really simple job. And just be careful when you're undoing the pipes down here for the washer fluid that you either catch it or it just drains on the floor, whatever. It's only soapy water. As always guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out my Redbubble shop if you want to buy some merch, support the channel. Link in the description as always, and I will see you in my next video guys. Cheers.